Hello art lover! In this video you will see the process of my last new Lady Gaga artwork. Let's get started. This artwork is a poster design for the Rain on Me Lady Gaga contest sponsored by Adobe. I was very excited to start on this design because I could not enter the World of Chromatica contest, because my country was not allowed to enter. I started as fast as I could on brainstorming an idea for the poster. The second sketch was the right one. I decided to plan out the sketch in my A3 sketchbook. I took a photo of the sketch and started with the digital painting in Adobe Photoshop. There is no time-lapse video of it because I spent a fair amount of time on it. That is why I have chosen for photos to show you the process. The symbolic meaning of the poster is that I show Lady Gaga as our heroine with her white butterfly wings. She saves us from ourselves with her pop music, our negative thinking, and spread the message to love ourselves. Ariana Grande cries the tears because of her heartbreak from love and the traumatic experience that happened during her tour. The tears become diamonds because she is strong enough to beat the tough times and can write about her experience now. The heart with the dagger represents that between love and hate is a fine line. If you want to support my art, please subscribe to my YouTube channel or my Patreon account. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you next time. Bye!